Hi chat. Are we live? Yep. Am I audible? Let me check. Hello, hello. Am I audible, guys? Hello, hello. Am I audible, guys? Let me just check. Let me make sure it's it's audible. Hi. Okay. I think it's clear. Yep. It's clear. Audio is clear. I think. Hi. Should not break in between like it was happening in the previous days. Yep. I'm sure audio is clear now. So, okay, so soon we are gonna start. Okay, let me just check my drop frames and all those. 15%. How is it going now? Is it going smooth? I've just changed it. That bitrate setting, right? Yep. Okay. That monitor was on. I think that was echoing all the time. So, yeah. So, how are you guys? Hi. Today we are gonna solve this. Yesterday I missed that bi-weekly contest because I had to go somewhere, and as I am at home, that. One sec. Okay. Uh, Okay, I just missed the yesterday's contest, so let's see what was there in the bi-weekly there, because I did not used it. Sorry, I did not attempt it. Uh, let's see what was that people's ranking and smallest pair with bi-weekly 177. Yeah, let's see the problem list. Okay, why it's not getting open? Okay, 35k out, 35k, around 35k people attended. Okay, nice. Let's see this first problem. Is it like the missed frame one? Yeah, now it's fine. I think now it's gonna be fine. Hello, guys, am I audible? Like, am I audible? Because it was buffering. Just a second. Am I audible, guys? Why it's okay? The frames are getting dropped, but around 12%. Okay, that can be negotiable. So yeah, what we were like seeing, yeah, yesterday's problem statement. Okay, this was the problem. Smallest pair with different frequencies. Okay, maybe we can give a try after attempting this one, because yesterday I did not try. So this is the problem number one, right? And this was the second one. uh, I'm not too well actually. Okay, this was the merge close characters. Okay, this was the second one. So we got three problems: parity, alternating. Okay, so these were the problems of yesterday's contest, right? Um, let's explore today's contest. We are gonna face today's one, and so let's go. Around 20%, maximum 20% frames are getting dropped, right? Um, so 4 minutes are left. Sorry. Actually, I'm not well. Yeah. So hey guys, today are you gonna like attempt today's contest? Who are going to attempt today's contest? Tell me, guys. Let's so wait for 3 more minutes, and then the contest is gonna start. And today my target will be to solve like two problems in less than hour, because in the previous contest I just got a rating of +1. I just managed to solve two questions within 1 hour, but that third problem, which was including XOR like thing, that was missed. Like if I had 2 more minutes, I would have like done that problem. There was just a slight mistake, not a slight mistake. I just missed one line. I did not XOR those two arrays. Uh, I just had to return the XORed array, but I just returned that. I don't know how I compiled that result, but yeah, that was the issue. But soon after the contest ends, and when I did that dry run, like it was just working fine. And when I submitted it, it was just submitted in one go. Like I was just thinking, why those 2 minutes? If I had saved just 2 minutes, I would have done that problem as well. But let's hope today we are not gonna repeat that mistake. Yeah. Two, is there any change in the like contest no while sorry, rules and regulations? Let's see. Um these are mostly same. Okay. Oh no, there is no change. Yeah, there is no change. First place, this is. Yeah, so today code will be hidden, guys, because as it is the rule, these are the contest rules that we don't have to share our code until the contest ends. So that will be like under my iPad screen. I will be showing how, like, I will be making public how I'm dry running the problem and how I'm approaching. So you can see all those things, but the code will be hidden. And after the contest, if you guys wanna see that code, you can just comment and I will just show my code. Uh, which type of problems today? Today, which kinds of problem we are gonna face? Let's see. Okay, don't go there. Ah, okay, let's just register. Okay, we are registered now. Guys, I just want to like say one thing. Don't ever register in advance, like 4 hours, 5 hours a day in advance, because you don't know uh, you're gonna get any urgent work. So if you are unable to if you are unable to join that registered contest, you will get negative ratings and all those. So okay, so let's go. So the contest has just started and yep, they are. Come on. Okay, so let me just uh okay. I hope the code is not visible now. That code palette will be hidden from you guys. Yeah, I'm not well actually. My voice. Okay, so we have got the problem. Just a second, let me just confirm it's okay. So that code palette is not visible, so we are ready to go. Just let me just get it. Okay. Ah, sorry. So let's get the problem statement here. We are given an integer array nums. Consider all pairs of distinct values x and y from the nums such that. Okay, just a second. Yeah, now. You're given a nums integer array. We are given an integer array. Okay, smallest pair with different frequencies. Smallest pair with different frequencies. Consider all pairs of distinct x and y from such that x is less than y and x and y have different frequencies and nums, right? So among all pairs, choose the pair with smallest possible value of x. If multiple pairs have same x, choose the one with smallest possible value of y. Return an integer array x and y. If no valid pair exists, return -1 -1. The frequency of a value x is number of times it occurs. Okay, so I think it's quite easy, but easy things sometimes they take most of our time. But uh, I'm just making a habit of dry running the problem, and in spite of any difficulty, like 1 1 2 2 uh, and 3 and it's 4. So yeah, I will map it. One's frequency is 2, two's frequency is 2, three's frequency is 1, four's frequency is 1. So what do I have to get? X less than y, and I have to make sure that they have different frequencies, right? Choose the pair with the smallest possible value of x. Okay. X and Y have different frequencies. If pairs have same x, if multiple pairs have same x, choose the one with smallest. Okay. So how should I approach this thing? Hmm. So let me just see the constraints. Nums length is 100. Okay. Nums is actually 100. So I can just take that instead of uh, map. Um, so we have to consider all pairs of distinct values x and y from num such that x is okay. So x should be greater. And what is this x? Okay, consider all pairs of distinct values x and y from num such that so x will be greater than y will always be greater than So yeah, 1 and 3 we have taken this care. X and y have different frequencies. So we have to like x should be less than y, and the frequencies of x they must not be equal to each other. This is the thing. We have to maintain this thing. Choose the pair with smallest pair. Okay, return integer. Okay, we have to return an array. Okay. The frequency of value x is number of times. We know the frequencies definition, right? 1 and 5. Both values have same frequency, so no valid pair exists. Return. This is also the case. Okay, so we can just have it. Let me see, everything is fine. Okay, the code is hidden. So if this is just the if nums dot size equals if nums dot size is less than 2, return -1 comma -1. So this is the case. This is just the first one edge case. Yeah, I just need to figure it out like smallest pair. So we need to make pairs, right? So one of the brute force will be just first I consider the array. Order of n square will be there, है ना? No, n square. So how can I get it? Like first, if I am following that approach which is in my mind, one, so we'll have array 1, 2, 3, 4, है ना? One we have two, two we have two, three we have one, four we have one. So I'm taking this. So this do they have different frequencies? No. So I'll just skip it. This and this. Do they have different frequencies? Yes. Okay. So I think according to the brute force, the first pair which I encounter, that will be the answer, है ना? Because this is gonna take with this. So this has happened. Now this. Yeah. So let me just construct an array. Vector int mpp, right? pp of 101 comma 0. So this will be initialized. Now for auto ampersand it, its nums. So mpp of it plus plus. This is the thing. Now for int I equals to, yeah, I just need to start with 1 because 0, I equals to 0, I equals to 1, I less than mpp dot size I plus plus for int j equals to 0, or sorry, j is equal to I plus 1, j less than mpp dot size है ना, j plus plus. So here we go. So what if mpp of, okay, so one thing, if mpp of I equals to 0, I just need to continue because I need to skip this iteration. So this is the thing. So I equals to 0, I do if mpp j equals to mpp I, or mpp of j equals to 0, what I need to do, I need to continue this iteration. Okay. So that thing, then I need to return what? Return I comma j. Will it work? -1 comma -1. So will this solution work? Okay, the test cases have successfully ran. So should I just run on some other test cases or should I just submit it? Okay, let me just take an arbitrary test case. Okay, let's add it. Um, what just happened here? Okay, nothing. So let me just add some more test cases. Two will be there, two here, and one, two, one, two, three, one, three, three, three. Just make it four. So what it should give? Okay, so it's returning one and four. So I have one's frequency as 3 and four's frequency as 2. I have different frequencies and x is less than y. Okay. I hope this solution is working fine. So I'm submitting it. Okay, this is accepted. So boom, this is done, guys. Like, thank God it's just done here. So this is done. Like, I just took like 12 to 13 months. Okay, this is not the thing to be excited about. I have questions lined up, है ना? So no need to get excited. That's fine. Okay. So this is done here. Just a second, let me check. Everything is working fine here. Yeah. Let me just so do the voice is perfect. Stream quality is looking good here in the analytics section. Okay. Okay, so let's go. Why it's just freezed there? Okay, it's fine. What is this tag? I don't know. Like, okay, let's get into this question first. So, okay, you are given a string consist of lowercase English letters. So this is done. Let's jump into this second question. You are given a string S consisting of lowercase English letters and an integer k. Okay, we are given a string and an integer k. Okay, two things. Two equal characters in current string S are considered close if the distance between their indices is at most k. Okay, so when two characters are close, the right one merges into the left, like merges happen at one at a time, and after each merge, string updates until no more merges are possible. Okay, I think I got it. Return the resultant string after performing all possible merges. Note, if multiple merges are possible, always merge the pair with smallest left index. And if multiple pairs share the smallest left index, choose the pair with smallest right index. Okay, this is the thing. and why they are just giving so very small test cases. Okay, we got here plenty of test cases here. So let's see. Okay, so we got here A, B, C, A. So let's just name it, sorry, index them properly. It will be 0, 1, 2, and 3, and we have got here k equals to 3. So we have to just check for the smallest same character. So taking the 0th index, okay, we are taking the 0th index, and okay, so do it matches with array. Yaar, what is this? Come on. Uh, do it matches with this? No. Do it matches with this? Nope. Do it matches with this? Yes. And what is their distance? Like 3 minus 0. At most, like at instant, it should be uh under the k. So we got it here. So we have to merge. How we have to merge it? I don't understand. Merge them into left. Okay. Hmm. If we are merging, like we are just removing this thing and it just get merged here. What was that tie rule there? Two equal characters in the graph. Okay, this thing. When two characters are close, right one merges into the left. Okay, right one has to be merged with the left. Merges happens at a time, and after each merge, the string updates until no more merges are possible. So, in my opinion, it might be taking order of n square. Like for each every character, I have to like I am fixing this array, I am fixing this index, and I am checking rest of the array. So first it will it will get this n passes, then n, है ना, every time. Array, what? Why I'm just concerned about the time complexity here. I just need to do it. So I think yeah, it's gonna take order of n square. If I'm using my brute force thing. So okay, we are given a string as consisting of we choose to, okay, let's see this thing. A B C A B C A and K equals to 2 0 1 2 3 4. We took this, and so this will be merged, right? So the string will become ABCA, and now it will be 0 1 2 3. I have K equals to 2. This thing, this will not be possible. This thing, and the distance is 3, right? So this will not be merged actually. So ABCA will be there. Okay, I hope I'm getting the question right. Characters A at index I equals to 0 are close as 1 minus 0 equals to 1, which is less than k. ठीक है, merge them into left, so it will become this thing. So the remaining A characters indices I0 are not closed. Okay, and no furthermore merges occurs. ठीक है, YYBY. So we got here, let's YYBY ZYBZ, है ना, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and I got k equals to 2. So I think I just don't need to like go into the whole array. I just need to, if I am standing here, I just need to go next to, है ना, because that will be uh है ना, because that will be only my range, because beyond this range I no need to. Okay, but there will be a one problem if I am, like if I am shrinking it, So like in this question, when this will be merged, so new string will become yb yz. So when I shrink it now, uh in the like normal cases I will be just moving with this index, but I need to make sure that the whole index is covered, because if I will move to this first index, this one, sorry, this first index, the rest of the characters will be missed. So yeah, so again I have to start with this index only, this 7. Arey yaar. So again when I'll move here, when I will move here, this will be merged. So y bz, this will be the thing. Again, will it be merged? YBZ. Okay, no, it will not be merged. So now I have to move to the next index. B. It will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 minus 1, it will be 3. So the distance is more. So this will not be there. This will not be there. This will not be there. This is also. And then I no need to check it. Sorry, no need to like this one. So my final answer will be YBZ. Why I'm getting this YBZ, Y by YBZ. Okay, got this thing. Okay, now I have just understood the problem statement and constraints as well. So yeah, let's go. Let's go now. Okay, 1 second, guys, just 1 second. Okay, it's like 5% dropping here. 1 second. Just a second, guys. I just need one check here. Okay, everything is fine. Let's get. Let's go. Okay, we have to just merge it. Now I just need to think which handles all those cases perfectly. And so for each index, what can I do? What can I do? Like in the order of n square. Now, can I do it in like for each index one pass? है ना? Hope. Why? No, 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 no. B, B, Y, Z, Y, Z, Y, B, Z. YYBY, So when okay, when I am standing here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and k equals to 2. So we got two things, k equals to 2 here. So can I just think of something like, when I am here, I can just note down the differences. है ना? These, what is the difference between this and this one? अरे यार, why are you doing this? So this will be nothing. This will be the difference of 1. Okay. So this the last difference is this. So whatever is there, it will be shrinked by just one place. है ना? So now, so this will be, I I don't have to do nothing. I have to do nothing with this. I have to do something. 3 minus 1 minus 1 2. है ना? 2. So now I need to just, now if these two things will happen, these two swaps will happen, it will just shrink by two places, like two places will be there. So here is the thing. Then I move here. I don't have to do nothing with this thing. So 5 minus 2, it will be 3. So now I don't need any shifting here. I don't need any shifting here. So this part, this part is going to, like, beyond this, there is no need of calculating, है ना? Because if y would have been here, then also no problem. It would have been 8. 8 minus 2, it will be 6. So I think I have just figured out an algorithm for this, and I need to just I just need to get one thing, like how to remove character in between and the that, because I will be knowing the index. I will be knowing the index, and uh, yeah. So in the one pass, like order of n square, it can be done. So let me just check how to. Okay, let me just use the chat GPT instead. That will be quicker. How to remove an element. Don't. Element. I have its index and I want it just to be removed, and rest of the string is right shifted, right, in cpp stl, because I know the index. Erase है ना, I equals to 0, st dot erase I comma 1 1. So s becomes 0 1 2 a b d e f. Okay, so erase will be there, and okay, got it. So I got the thing. For and I equals to 0, I less than s dot size. अरे यार, this thing, then the dynamic thing will be a problem, because it might go to out of index. Will it go? If I'm erasing it, I think I don't need to do with the size, right? I just have to deal with the number of steps. So okay, that thing will not be there. Who's this? One minute, guys. I just need to I'll leave it that I think somebody called me, just gave me a missed call. Not an issue. I plus plus for int j equals to I plus 1 j plus plus what I'm doing j less than s dot size है ना j plus plus. Okay, so I got here uh, I will just return this string as, so return as this thing. This is size, everything is dynamically getting handled. So yeah, first I will take the 0. ठीक है, if no need to just enter into this loop. If okay, just leave it. No need to like do over engineering. If s of I not equals to s of j, if the characters are not equal, okay, do I need to like, do this thing when I'm here? When I'm here, okay, I just need to continue, right? Continue. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. I just need to continue this iteration. So what I just need to uh, hmm, int step. I just need to take step count as well. So first of all, it will be 0, and what was that? I just need to make sure here. Whatever thing happens, whatever happens, it will be just shrinked by one place, right after where I found that same character. Okay, so int step will be 0. So if this thing happens, if s of j equals to s of I, so this thing happens. So step will be plus plus. Okay, step will be plus plus. And step will be plus plus. This. Mm, okay, step will be plus plus. I just increase the step. Now I need to s dot erase j comma 1, so that's it, that is erased है ना. If okay, I'm missing something here, because what if that distance and तो same I and j's are there, and j minus I should be less than equals to k. Let me just try run it. That thing, when I got it, I just removed it, right? When I got that thing, I just removed it, and now what I am left with at 0. This is done. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if that is erased and I equals to 0 was there and j equals to 1 was there, j equals to 1 was there, then it will be incremented, but that will be 2 and okay, j will be 2, will it be 2? 0, 1, 2, now it was 2, so 2 minus 0, okay, so y b z 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will be 3. Yeah, that's running fine here. So I think I don't need any step here. Okay, so leave that step part. Okay, what the heck has just happened? Okay, no need to use step here. Okay, I no need to check step. If j minus I is greater than k, I just need to break this loop. Is it working? Okay, this is working here. It's at 39. I have just submitted it. I don't know if I'm going to get a flag. Ah, I got a flag here. And this thing which is going to get h I is equal to 0, j is equal to 1. So at first it will be 0, 1, 2, है ना? So I will be 0. This is 1. Yeah, that idea, wrong answer. I got this thing, this edge case. So that idea of like saving the space, that was useless. I just need to do that step one strategy here because that would have been proved right. Yeah. So let's go back to that step one strategy. Okay, what's happening? Nope, nope, nope. What just happened? Yeah, I need to just go back to that step one strategy. Int step equals to 0. I just need an array where I will store indexes. Vector int indices. Vector int idx. Okay. So this I need to just maintain these two things. Hmm. Uh, no. Index is 0. So if s of I not equal to s of j, I just need to continue this iteration if s of I equals to s of j. And if s of I equals to s of j, then I will move if j minus I is less than equals to k. What I just did that time, I just took one thing, uh, this, and when that first character was encountered, I just incremented my step by one. So first step was 1 and then the step was 2. So what I was doing that j minus step. So first the step was 0, है ना? If instead of this it would have been here, um, I just need one thing, one confirmation. I just need suppose okay, it will be like if I don't have this one as well, okay, just rub it. Uh, it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, this will not be like this will not be merged. So if I'm checking it, this is not equal to this. Yeah, obviously it's not equal. This is also not equal. This is equal. Uh, okay, this thing should be equal minus 0. Yes. I think I got some clue here. Yeah, that's so. Uh, if it is not equal, then it will be continued. And if it is equal and j minus I minus step, j minus I minus step should be less than k. And if it's the case, I need to idx dot push back. I just need to push back what? J. This is the thing. Uh, step plus plus. Okay, now for int I equals to 0, I less than idx dot size. Okay, I just need to do what? S dot erase. S dot erase, that will be not I, let it be k1, है ना? K, K, idx of k. Is it working? K plus plus. Output I'm getting ACA. Oh my god. What? Something has happened. 1 second, yaar. There is an issue. Try running it. I equals to 0. This. Step is 0. ठीक है. Factor int idx of okay, I got it. Index switching, yes, that it's the dynamically the size is getting changed. That's the reason of the failure of the test case. Okay, I just need to like apply. Yeah, suppose if I am using y by z y bz है ना. If I'm doing this thing, my array will 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 will be there. Three will be there. So फर्स्ट इंडेक्स में आएगा it will get this. So it will become y b y z y b z. It becomes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have to erase third index, but I just have to erase one index. First, it was at most index and third index. If I need to manage it, I need to manage it for do every time minus one will work because when two elements will be है ना minus I will be there. यार why what's the problem? I think I just got the bug. So okay, so I got the bug. I think now it's gonna return me answer. Oh she that same thing happens. Okay, this is the that something okay something is there. Some I'm missing something. K equals to 0, k less than k, this balance is this. I just did it, but it's I'm just missing something. What should be that possible thing? Because I'm doing change on the what can I do? What can I do? Can I do some make it a copy? String copy string copy is equal to s and what to do here? I just need a copy because I'm doing everything dynamically and those indexes are getting mixed up. That is the reason why it's getting failed. So I just got one lesson from here. Just never ever touch those indexes. And never ever touch those. Today that scam has again happened. Guys, guys, the same thing. This has happened just twice. It has just happened twice. And I was the one that I did not realize that something is happening here. Ah, shit, that thing has happened. Yeah. Oh, well. Guys, now I'm going off. Um, going off. Something has just happened crazy. I don't know what I was doing. It was just crazy thing. I have just attempted that. No, I just attempted that previous bi-weekly contest. I was just checking out and I don't know how just it just happened here. That's leave it, leave it, leave it then.